Hey you guys, we're gonna go ahead and prep these Mother's Day gift baskets. Look at how cute these roses are. I wanted to show you really quick the decals before I add them, how adorable they are. They came out perfect. And this one says hashtag mom life. This one says my mom is the best, and that's in the blue vinyl. This one's in the pink. It says mother, mom, sweet mamacita. That's my favorite one. And then this one in the green, it says mom can do anything, and that's in the metallic vinyl as well. So I'm going to make 4 different gift baskets. We're going to go ahead and prep them. I picked up this basket from the dollar store. I'm going to remove any sticker on here, anything in the way of my decal. I just need to make sure it's nice and clean and there's no stickers on here or nothing, and they came out super fast. So I'm going to prep the rest, and there you go. Now we're going to go ahead and wipe them down. I'm going to be using the alcohol just to remove any smudges, any fingerprints, anything in the way of the decal looking nice and smooth. I want to remove it, and alcohol is the best way to prep stuff. It takes away everything, and not only that, it dries super fast. So you're going to be ready to work on your project as soon as you're done wiping it. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe the rest, and there you go. I have them ready. Now we're going to go ahead and prep the decals. We're going to add our transfer tape to our decals. So I'm going to show you really quick how I prep them, just so you get an idea of what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut. When you're cutting around these, you're going to cut as close as you can without cutting the decal. And you could do it. Let me tell you, this is going to save you money. By that, I mean, you're going to save transfer tape. You're going to use less of it, and it's going to help you really quick. We're going to go ahead and measure it. And I love this transfer tape because it has lines under and it guides me through the whole process. I'm going to leave the link down below so you can get a 15% off your whole purchase of your decals, and I'm also going to leave a $5 off any transfer tape you buy. So I'll leave both of those links down below. Now I'm going to go ahead and press this down with my scraper, and I'm going to press it down nice and firm before I add it. And look at how simple that was. Look at how simple that was, and it is gorgeous. Now I'm going to go ahead and make some more, and I'm going to show you really quick how you make the rest. I'm going to go ahead and measure them. I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to add my transfer tape. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it like I told you. This helps you by saving a more transfer tape. It helps you by having everything ready, nice and smooth, ready to start your project, and it's going to guide you. Once you have it measured out, go ahead and cut that up, and we're going to add the tape right onto the decal. So I love this transfer tape, like I said. The link is going to be down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you could see any other future projects that I might have going on. I would love to share with you. Now I'm going to go ahead and press this down nice and firm. Always press it down super nice and firm. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. And there you go. Everything has its transfer tape. It is ready to be added to the baskets. So let's get started and make some Mother's Day baskets. I cannot wait to see how these come out. You're going to love them. So the first one I'm going to do, I'm going to use this metallic pink, which is one of my favorite vinyls out there. I love this color. It is so gorgeous, easy to weave and easy to work with. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this right onto the middle. So just take your time when you're making these projects. Once you have it in the middle, go ahead and press it down as firm as you can. Use your scraper and scrape it firm, nice and firm, so nothing comes off when you're ready to remove your transfer tape. Once you have it pressed down how you want it, go ahead and remove that tape nice and slow so nothing lifts. Look at how fast and easy that was. I love this tape. And there you go. You have your first Mother's Day gift basket, and I love it. Look at how gorgeous that is. I love the way it came out. I love this color. I love this vinyl, and I cannot wait to make it. Look at how gorgeous. I just wanted to share with you the process of the whole baskets. So when I'm ready to make it, you have a video if you want to go ahead and prep your own as well. Now the next one, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this beautiful metallic blue that I love as well. So I'm going to peel this off nice and slow, and look at how it's going to come out. And we're going to make sure we place this right in the middle as well. So if you can't, just go ahead and use a ruler, but I always eyeball everything. Once I have it down, I'm going to go ahead and scrape it down nice and firm. I want it to stay. I don't want nothing to move when I'm removing the transfer tape. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove it nice and slow. Make sure everything sticks onto the basket. And look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, this color is so beautiful. I love it. And it has like a metallic to it. So you can't really see it, but it does. And it's really beautiful in person. It's nicer and brighter in person. I'm going to go ahead and use that apple green, which is so pretty. And I'm going to remove it nice and slow as well. Look at how fast that was. And I'm going to place it right in the middle as well. Once you have it in the middle, go ahead and press it down as firm as you can. Nice and firm. So everything stays on there when you are going to remove your transfer tape and nothing lifts. Go ahead and remove your transfer tape slowly. Slowly. And there you go. You have another gift basket that is gorgeous, that is ready, and I love it. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is really pretty. So I just wanted to show you how gorgeous, fun, and simple these are to make. I cannot stop myself from making them. And we're going to go ahead and put the last one together. And the last one is the hashtag Mom Life. I thought it would be perfect to make this one for my mom. The other three are going to be for my sisters. But I wanted to try this one different and not make a whole saying. And I wanted to add those gorgeous roses that I found. I thought they were so pretty, and I know that in the red, they're going to stand out even more. So I love the fact that I made them in the red. We're going to go ahead and add the hashtag Mom Life right in the middle. That's where I want it to be. So kind of eyeball it. Make sure you get it nice and straight, because if not, it will come out crooked. Once you have it on there, go ahead and press it down nice and firm before you remove the transfer tape. Remove the transfer tape nice and slow. If it does lift, put the transfer tape back down and go ahead and press it again and remove it from the opposite side. That should really help you. It's a great tip and trick that I figured out for making all these decals. And look at how beautiful that looks. It came out perfect, nice and straight, and just the way I like it. Now I'm going to add the roses. So I'm going to cut them up, and I'm going to add them in the front as well. I made them in 2 different sizes because I wasn't sure if they would be too big for the project or if they would be too small for the project, but I end up doing, I think I did 2 inches, and they came out perfect. Now you can make them in different colors. You can make them in pink. You can make them in rainbow. Anything you can think of, your Cricut is going to help you bring it to life. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these, and look at how easy that was. And I'm going to place the first one right at the top of the corner of the basket, and it came out perfect. Once you have it there, press it nice and firm. Don't worry, you're not going to rip the basket. Use your scraper, scrape it down, and look at how gorgeous that is. Now we're going to go ahead and remove that transfer tape nice and slow as you can. And I love it. Look at how gorgeous that is. This was so affordable to make, and it looks like I purchased these baskets. That's how great I'm catching on to making stuff. I really cut on really fast. I'm going to add the other one at the corner of the bottom. I thought that would be so cute. I'm going to press it down nice and firm, and then I'm going to remove it. Nice and slow, and it is perfect. I hope you guys like it. Look at how cute that is. The next video, we're going to go ahead and put everything together. Now you can also use these if you have extra. You could put them on the side. You could put them in the back. You can put them anywhere you can think of. It's optional. I just want to give you ideas just in case you want to add a little more, and you can add them right there. Look at how cute that would look as well. On the sides, or you can just leave it how it is. So there's so many things you can do, so many ways you can add them. I just give you ideas so you run with it and make your own. If you do make some, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you came up with, or go ahead and send me a picture. You know, I always love to see what you came up with it. I hope you get a great idea from this video. And then on the next video, we're going to go ahead and make these baskets. I cannot wait to see a whole basket made and see how beautiful it looks. But I'm sure anybody you give this to, they're going to love it. They're going to think that you brought it. They're going to think you paid for it and you actually made it. And I love the way this green one looks. It's one of my favorite colors. This is a metallic in the vinyl. So everything is down below. I'm going to link everything for you so you can prep out your stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye you guys.